Welcome to Fit guys, but yes, fit is the new thick. Today's video is a simple meal prep video, guys. So I'm just going to be showing you real quickly what I eat for breakfast, lunch, as well as my snack. I didn't do dinner. So yeah, so here we are for breakfast. I just do simple Greek yogurt with some fruit. I normally do about 1 cup. Now guys, this is the recipe for the lunch, so this is really what I'm wanting to show you guys. Basically, I'm just going to kind of give you a tutorial on how to make this. What we're making today is turkey meatballs with a cilantro dip. And this cilantro dip is tasty as hell, guys. Okay, so yes, these are all the ingredients. Oh yeah, guys, you got to get this pepper. I found this at my local grocery store. It's really, really good. Okay, so that's everything you need. All right, so first and foremost, let me apologize about how crooked the video is, but anyways, here we go. So for starters, I've already put my milk. As you can see, my milk, which I used 1 cup of coconut milk. Now we're going to also put 1 cup of cilantro. And as you can see, this is fresh cilantro that we are using. And guys, the cup that I have here is just simply a blender cup. Okay, so now we have our jalapeno slices. You really need this, guys, because this is going to set this dip off, okay? So just get 1 tablespoon of that and put that into the mixture there. Guys, it is so tasty. Okay, all right, so once we've done that, next we're going to go ahead and put in our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is the lemon, guys. So with the lemon, you're just going to squeeze about 2 tablespoons in there. I love lemon. I put lemon in my tea every morning, so I'm pretty used to eyeballing it. And if you do the whole thing, do that, because that's just going to give it more of a zest. Okay, so that's all we are doing right now. We're just simply squeezing the lemon into here. And matter of fact, not even 2 tablespoons, guys. Just go ahead and cut a half of a lemon and put the whole thing in there, okay? Go ahead. And again, we're making the dip, okay? So again, guys, keep in mind, this is my meal prep video for my lunch. For dinner, I normally switch my dinner up every night. So if you want to see a dinner video, please comment below, and I'll make sure to do that. But when it comes to my lunch, I normally like to pack that up. So we put some salt in there. So we put about ½ teaspoon of salt. If you don't do salt, then of course you can always substitute that. All right, so that's all you need for your mixture on your dip. And what we're doing now, guys, is simply, I'm just going to blend it up. Of course, guys, if you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and do that right now. I have a giveaway video coming up that I know you do not want to miss. So here's the finished result, guys. And now I'm just adding a little more. I added a little more milk. And that's simply because I wanted the consistency to be a little more loose. It was a little thick for me. Now it's all ready. Look how delicious. Oops. Guys, I was a little upset about that. But yeah, look how delicious it looks. And yes, it tastes just as good as it looks. So yeah, you should have like a green consistency of that sauce. Now again, this sauce is what you're going to use to dip your meatballs in. Set the cilantro dip to the side. Again, it is so good, so please, even if you don't make it with these meatballs, please just try it anyways. I would say it would taste good with like some kind of chips or anything that you normally would use with a dip. Try it out, you'll like it. Now, the next thing we're going to do, guys, is start making the meatballs. So get you a nice size bowl because this is what you're going to make your mixture in. As you could see in the beginning of the video, you are going to need some type of ground turkey. If you don't like ground turkey, you can do like lean ground beef, but yeah. The first thing we put in here, guys, is the eggs. We also put our sauce in there as well. We mixed it up. So once you mix it up, that's what you. Okay, guys, so this is the mixture with the turkey, the ground turkey, and the almond flour. So I did 2 pounds of ground turkey, and I did a half a cup of almond flour. And the next thing we're going to do, guys, is just go ahead and mix this up with a wooden spoon. So we're going to turn this to a really good mixture. And then we're going to go ahead and put our meatballs together, okay? So I'm making about 64 meatballs, guys. I hope this would be enough. All right, so let's get it. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just stirring all of it up. And yes, the cutting board is clean, so that's why I put that back in there. Yep, so I'm just stirring all of that up, guys. What you want to do is make sure you mix it. I like it to mix my meat up with a wooden spoon. Mix it where everything is mixed in pretty well. Yes, mix it up really good, guys. We just want to make sure that the meat, the almond flour, the paste, and everything is sticking together well. Your seasons, everything is all mixed up in there. So basically I'm measuring this by the tablespoon. Okay, so that's how we're going to determine how much we have. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys what the meatballs look like after I patted them up. So they're not cooked yet. This is still raw meat, but I ended up patting together 50 meatballs total. So I didn't quite make it to 64, but I almost got there. Should have cooked a little bit more meat, but that's okay. We can modify that, or we can, of course, make some more meatballs. But that's it, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and heat my skillet with some vegetable oil, or excuse me, olive oil. I'm going to heat my skillet with that. And we're going to go ahead and start cooking these. So we're going to cook these meatballs in a single layer. So make sure you do that. And we're going to stir them occasionally with a spatula. Also, we're going to cook them, I would say a total of 8 to 10 minutes. And you're just going to make sure that they're no longer pink inside. So I'm going to come back to you guys whenever the meatballs are ready. Or matter of fact, I'll just show you how I line them up. Okay guys, so when it comes to meal prepping my snack, I don't really make it too complicated just simply because I do be working and I don't want to spend a lot of time with trying to prepare snacks. So I keep it simple. As you can see, I just have a banana here with a protein shake, guys. So this just normally depends on how hungry I am. So sometimes I might do the banana with the protein shake. Or sometimes I might just do the protein shake by itself or the banana. It just all depends. But there's many different ways of snacks you can have. You can do almonds, you can do cheese, all kind of different things, guys. But like I said, this is what works best for me just because of my schedule. So right now I have the Premier Protein and the peach flavor. It is 30 grams of protein. Really, really good protein for you. And this is delicious. I did find this at my local grocery store. And again, I have the banana. So, you know, you can just pick and choose how you want to do it. This is very simple to, you know, of course, bag up if you're on the go. That's it. Okay, guys. So our oil is clearly hot now. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in the meatballs. Okay guys, so this is what I mean when I say have them in a single layer. Okay, I wasn't able to fit all of them in here, but it is okay. But we're going to cook this for about 8 minutes total. Like I said, you can cook it 8 to 10 minutes. And we have it on medium high. All right, so I'm gonna come back with the finished results, but I'm just gonna simply, move them around with a spatula, guys. So of course I'm gonna let them cook a little more on this side, and then I'll try to flip them over. All right, I'll be back with the finished results. Okay, guys, so this is the meatballs after it's been cooked, and they've been sitting for a little minute, so that's why it looks a little dry. But it's okay, guys. Keep in mind, we're going to put it in the dip. And I've already tried one. It is lit. Okay, so that's the meatballs. I'm going to show you how it looks all packed up. Real quick, I just want to show you guys like the second batch. Truthfully, this is more of the way I like them. I like them a little burnt. Okay, so that's the second batch. I just want to show you guys how it looks once it's, right when it's finished cooking. Bam. So here's just the final look, guys, a final shot of our meatballs in our dip. Again, I normally eat some bread with it just so I can really feel full and fulfilled. Also, that's gonna help me get my fiber in as well. And trust me, guys, this meal is going to fill you up on lunch. Okay, you are going to be so full. It's going to taste good. It is healthy as well, so you don't have to worry about calories. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like. Please subscribe.